Hello guys! Long time no see, huh? How have you been? Oh, and who is this little fellow? Oh, don't be shy. You think your rules are too complicated. Don't worry, I think I can help you. Let's all together explain them to our students the easiest way possible. Sounds good, huh? Let's start then. The only thing you should keep in mind while choosing the article in English is that we only use the indefinite articles a and an if we do not speak about any particular object, person, or phenomenon, but one of many. Although, if you want to talk about someone or something specific that the person you're talking to already knows, or probably even everyone knows, that's when we use the article the. Let me give you an example. I had an orange for breakfast. The orange was delicious. My parents bought a car. The car is blue. Now let me give you 5 cases of when we use the definite article. And number 1 is before unique concepts such as the sun, the moon, or the air. Number 2 is, as I said before, if the noun was already mentioned in the text. I bought a great book yesterday. The book is about adventures. Number 3 is before anything you can see on a physical map, such as deserts, oceans, seas, rivers, islands, and so on. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Alps, the Thames, and also some countries that consist of 2, 3, or even more words, such as the Russian Federation, the United States of America, or the United Kingdom. Number 4 is the proper names that consist of a noun or adjective plus another noun, such as the White House or the Buckingham Palace. And number 5 is before musical instruments or any other kind of entertainment. For example, I go to the cinema or I listen to the radio. Be careful, television is the exception. I watch TV. We learned about articles in English, but there is still one little thing I need to tell you, which is zero article. There are 3 cases in which we do not use any article at all. And number 1 is plural nouns. We do not use any article with them, such as I love reading books or I have got many friends. Number 2 is streets, parks, and cities. For example, I love to walk in Central Park. Red Square is in Moscow. Number 3 is games, sports, and names of books and films. For example, her favorite cartoon is Frozen. I am good at playing chess. Or he loves playing football. And this is it. Now let's have some practice.
Number 1. There is a beautiful sofa in the living room because it's the first time we mention a subject, so we use a. Okay? The sofa is blue. Good job! Because we already know what sofa we're talking about. Okay, number 2. Today I had an egg for breakfast. It's the first time we mention it, and it starts with a vowel. An egg. Good. The egg was stuffed with cheese. Good job. Excellent work. Number 3. Yesterday I saw a cat. Good job. The cat was fluffy. Very good. All right, number 4. I love to eat apples. Exactly. We do not use any articles with plural nouns. Okay, number 5. I'm keen on playing the piano. Good job. We always use the with musical instruments. Okay, number 6. The earth goes around the sun. Exactly, because there is only one earth and one sun. Good job. Well done.
Oh, how do you feel now? Yes, I think our smart students will make no more mistakes using you. And if you want to see even more helpful and fun videos, follow the magical world of Novakid. Bye-bye.